An engine works by converting fuel into motion. In a car engine, fuel mixes with air and enters the cylinders. A spark ignites this mixture, creating small explosions. These explosions push pistons up and down, which turn the crankshaft. The crankshaft transfers power to the wheels, making the car move. The process repeats many times per second, keeping the engine running. Cooling and lubrication systems prevent overheating and reduce friction. This basic principle applies to most combustion engines, from cars to motorcycles and airplanes.